Hi guys, welcome back to Top Capable channel. In today's video, we're going to show you several practical ways to help you recover deleted photos on your iPhone, even if they have been deleted from the recently deleted album. So, when you delete a photo or video on your iPhone, it doesn't disappear immediately. Instead, it moves to the recently deleted album and stay there for additional 30 days. If you change your mind within the next 30 days, you can open the recently deleted album in your Photos app, and retrieve the photos back. Alright, let's do this together. On your iPhone, open the Photos app, and tap the Albums tab at the bottom. Scroll down a little bit, the recently deleted album is right here. If you're using iOS 18 or later, the recently deleted album should be under the Utilities when you scroll down on the photo library screen. Alright, tap on Recently Deleted, and tap View Album. Here, you'll need your passcode to open it. So, enter your passcode as it requires, and then, you can see all photos and videos that have been deleted within the last 30 days. If your deleted photos are here, just select them, and tap the Recover button. Then, the recovered photos will be put back to your photo library and appear in their original position. It's very easy and quick. If you don't see the recently deleted folder, you may need to update your iPhone to iOS 16 or later. If you cannot find your iPhone photos and videos in recently deleted folder, they may have been automatically removed from your iPhone after 30 days. But, no worries. Even if your pictures are deleted from recently deleted album, you can still recover them by using an iOS data recovery tool or restoring from a backup. If you don't have any backups available, then the iPhone data recovery software from AppGeeker is what you need. This tool is especially designed for iOS users to recover various kinds of files from their iPhone directly. No need to use a backup. So, when you delete your iPhone photos, or accidentally remove them from the recently deleted folder, the deleted pictures are actually hidden on your iPhone's internal storage until their storage space is released for new data. So, to recover the photos you consider permanently gone, simply install this iPhone data recovery tool on your computer, and perform a deep scanning to locate all hidden photos. I'll share the download link below this video, so you can free download it and have a trial. Alright, when you have this iPhone photo recovery tool on your computer, open it. And then connect your iPhone. It supports a wide range of iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 16. Okay, then, enter your passcode and trust your computer. When your iPhone is recognized successfully, click the Start Scan button on the screen. The scanning process should start automatically. Just wait for a few seconds. All scanning results will show up on your screen. Alright, for photo recovery, we just need to select the media categories on the left side. From here, you can preview all deleted photos and select whichever you want back. Okay. When you're ready, the final step is to click the Recover button at the bottom. And pick a local computer folder to save all these recovered photos. When it's done, you can open the folder to access all your recovered iPhone photos at any time you want. It's very straightforward, and doesn't require any backups. All you need to do is to act fast before the deleted photos are overwritten. Alright. In another situation that you've backed up your iPhone to iCloud regularly, then you can use a recent iCloud backup to restore the photos you've deleted from the recently deleted folder. However, before we begin, there's one thing you need to know, that an iCloud backup can only be restored on a new or newly erased iPhone, and the backup data will replace all current content and settings on your phone. So, if you want to restore deleted photos from an iCloud backup, the first step is to erase the iPhone. If you are not sure whether you have iCloud backups available, just head to the Settings app, and tap your Apple ID, choose iCloud, and then scroll down to select iCloud Backups. On this screen, all successful iCloud backups will be listed by date under Backup Now. To restore iPhone photos, ensure that there's one backup made before your photos were deleted. If you don't have a useful backup, go back to our second method to recover your iPhone photos without a backup. Okay. Back to the Settings screen, and head to General. Scroll down to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. The erasing process should start when you verify your Apple ID and password. It's gonna take a while. Just wait patiently. Alright, when then device restarts, you should see the Hello screen. Now, swipe up and quickly go through the setup prompts. OK. On this Apps and Data screen, we now have the option to restore from iCloud backup. If you have a computer backup with iTunes or Finder, you can also choose to restore your photos and other data from a computer backup. Alright, here we just tap Restore from iCloud backup to proceed. And then sign in with the Apple ID and password. OK. When you get into your iCloud storage, you will see all available backups here. So, choose the one that contains your deleted photos and videos. It is going to download everything from the iCloud backup to your iPhone. This may take much time, depending on your network speed and the backup size. When it's done, all backup photos will be restored to your iPhone. You can open the Photos app to check whether the deleted photos are back. Alright, that's what we have for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions about iPhone photo recovery, feel free to leave your comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.